Welcome back. Well, we have something very fun coming up in July, and that is the Woodstock. It's the 9th Woodstock, which makes it their 10-year anniversary. And I have Kathy Gaskins and Kathy Podliska here with us. Well, ladies, and you are looking lovely Woodstockish today.
Trying to get in the mood.
Yeah, well, it's a little early. You're going to keep this up every day until then, right? So let's talk a little bit about the event itself and all the fun things that are going to be happening.
Okay, well, it's a one-day event. It's going to be July 28th at Clubhouse 2.
Okay.
We kind of take over the whole area, so everyone be warned, between the parking lot and the clubhouse and the grass area.
Right.
So this year we've expanded our musical selections. So from 2 to 3 we're going to have the village folk, and we're going to have a hootenanny, because at the original Woodstock, the first day of Woodstock was folk. So we've never incorporated the folk component, so we're going to have some folk songs.
Sounds fun.
And then we have an opening act between 3 and 4, which is a rock act, which is Dutch of Fizz.
Oh, yes.
And he's a local resident
We've
fan.
We've had him on before.
Yeah.
He's great.
And he is very good. And then we'll go into our Full Spectrum, which is a band that we've had now for at least 6 years now.
Okay.
And then we'll do our LSD, Love Saves the Day, with Ruby Kay.
All right.
And they're our closing act.
Okay.
And we'll be done about 8:30 that night.
So that is a long event.
It's a long day, yeah. We kind of camp out on the grass, so everyone's got their comfy chairs and everything they need.
Right.
And of course, we're just a stone throw from our own houses, so
well,
we haven't had to travel.
So people bring their own drinks and like a picnic style?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have the 19th. They always do a barbecue.
Oh, okay.
So there's always like hamburgers, hot dogs, or chicken to buy.
Right, okay.
But it's kind of potluck. Bring whatever you want and wear whatever you want.
Okay. As long as you're wearing something, right?
Yeah, well, I don't think any of us are at the age we want to go back to.
I don't know, man. You'd be surprised, right?
Flashing anybody.
We hope not.
It's great that day. Almost everybody comes in,
Okay.
you know, garb that's just incredible. When you look at the old pictures each year, it's like, oh my goodness.
All the T-shirts.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
It's fun people watching.
I bet. I bet. Well, it probably was way back when too, right? Let's talk about it being your 10th anniversary. I mean, what does that mean to the people here in the community?
Well, I think the baby boomers kind of got started with a friend of mine named Leslie Davis, and we were laying by the swimming pool at Clubhouse 5 looking at each other saying there has to be more than 2 of us in here, meaning age-wise. So we started, you know, we put in our little, you know, affidavit to start the club, and we rented a very small room for our first meeting because you have to get 20 signatures on a form to start a club. And you know, we had 125 people lined up at the door waiting, and it was like, oh my goodness, I guess there is an interest. And then our next get-together was announcing the club, and we were at Clubhouse 7 thinking we'd have maybe 150, 200 people. There again, room was packed, line out the door. So ever since then, it's been a wonderful place to make friends, and it's a great place when you move into the community. Here's our logo for the 10th anniversary. But moving into the community is a great place to start. And there's no age limitations, and there's always great music and get-togethers on once a month at Clubhouse 6. So
and once a month, usually what day?
It's the first Friday of the month for Clubhouse 6, and the third third Saturday for dances and lots of other activities. If you join, they'll send you information all the time about what's going on.
And they can always go to the Laguna Woods Village website, put in baby boomers, and it'll be there. Right? Okay, all right, perfect. Okay, back to the event itself. How much does it cost?
$15 a person.
Okay. All right, and that basically covers
for the whole day.
All the bands.
all the bands.
Okay, great. And then there's going to be some sort of pre-sale that you're having?
Yeah, the pre-sale is usually just for members, but at our dance this Saturday night, we are going to open it up and sell to whoever comes to the dance that night.
Okay.
So you don't have to be a member.
Okay.
And then the day of Woodstock, we start at 8 o'clock selling the wristband, and we're not going to sell out.
Oh, yeah.
So people that feel anxious about it, they don't need to be. They're going to get a spot.
Okay, perfect. Let's real quickly talk about other exciting stuff you have coming up. You've got Southbound and Company, a Creedence Clearwater tribute band, and when is that? That's going to be happening on Saturday, June 16th.
Yes.
Okay, tell me a little bit about
Saturday.
that. Okay.
Okay. Well, the doors open at 6.
Okay.
The music starts at 7.
Okay.
We have a GRF bar.
Nice.
You can bring some of your own snacks, but no outside alcohol.
Okay.
And the band plays till 9:30.
Perfect.
And it's really, we love Creedence, so
Yeah.
that's the one of the bands of our generation, I guess.
Right,
So
right.
This should be a great dance.
Well, that looks fun. And then, you know, the event for the Woodstock is July 28th, so you girls should come back on again, and we'll remind
Yeah.
everybody how much fun. And then I expect you to be in gear.
Oh, yes.
Full gear.
Yeah,
And then bring me
absolutely.
something to wear.
Okay.
I'll bring you one of
Bring me a
these.
wreath. All right. So nice to meet you. Thank you both
so
for
nice
coming
to
in.
meet you.
Thank
All
you.
right. And we'll be right back after this.